Chaparral is known for building high-end sport boats packed with luxury, but they don't forget the middle-class boater. And in an effort to recruit them, they've paid special attention to expanding their line of 19 to 23-foot sport boats. This is the 21 SSi, and I'm Randy Vance for Boating Magazine. Now this boat brings to you all the solid construction and fine fit and finish that Chaparral is known for, but it brings it to you in a package that probably costs about the same as your car. Throughout the boats, you'll find that it's got this luxury upholstery. It's a great look, and it's possible because Chaparral builds all of this in their own factory. You've got multicolored vinyl, multi-textures. You've got double stitching, and it's all straight and even for a great look. The padding is thick and it's multi-density, so that when you're riding in rough water, you still have a soft ride. Now the hardware on the boat is also top shelf, and that's the mark of luxury. You've got highly polished stainless steel grab handles, cup holders, cleats, and it all is perfectly appointed for this boat. Now the bow seating area is just as large and luxurious. The cushions are thick, and it's designed so that you can sit facing any direction that you want. I like the bolsters that wrap around here that enable it. You've got extra tall ones so that you can face forward, and the grab rails are handy to give you a secure ride. For added sunning space, this boat is equipped with an optional sun pad filler cushion. If you close it off with the wind dam area, you've got a great playpen for the kids. Now the boat's designed to carry 12 passengers, and to entertain them, you've got a standard clarion system with 6 speakers. It sounds dynamic, and it's going to be fun for your crew. Also for your crew, we've got an optional wakeboard tower on board. It raises and lowers easily for storage or for low bridges. To make the most of that wakeboard tower, Chaparral has equipped this boat with the Yamaha 4-cylinder inline outboard. It has plenty of torque for a snappy hole shot, a great speed, and good fuel economy. It'll get your kids up on wakeboards or skis and pull them on tubes using the tow point on the transom. For reboarding and for safety, there's a 3-step stainless steel ladder under its own hatch. And we like the way the platform is covered with SeaDeck. It's a good non-skid surface, and it's comfortable on the feet. Now the key to keeping a happy crew is keeping the gear organized, and that takes plenty of storage. Lift up the sun pad and you've got an enormous storage compartment there. Underneath the transom seats, you've got storage compartments on either side and a large cooler in the center. A large ski locker in the center of the floor, and 2 more compartments under the console cap off the storage and the side compartments in the bow. Now the SSi series also has available a fishing package. With it, you get the bow trolling motor, you get an 18-gallon live well, pedestal bucket seats to fish from, and a fish finder. The Chaparral 21 SSi is an ideal boat for a beginning boater, and Chaparral wants to make sure that your first experience is a good one, so that when you're ready to move up in boating, you might just want to move with Chaparral. I'm Randy Vance for Boating Magazine, and this is the Chaparral 21 SSi.